Here's how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet. Start by opening Cash App and tapping the icon at the bottom left of the screen. Navigate to the Bitcoin graph and select Buy Bitcoin. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. And complete the verification process to confirm your purchase. Once done, your Bitcoin will be available in the account. Next, remain on the Bitcoin graph screen and tap the arrow icon to access the Send Bitcoin option. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Below the field, you'll see the BTC available in your account. Ensure the account you're sending is within the limit. Now, in the Send Bitcoin screen, paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient into the field labeled to name, hashtag, or BTC address. Double check the address to ensure it's correct, then confirm by pressing the name and tapping next. Finally, confirm the transaction and you'll see a message indicating the withdrawal has been initiated. The Bitcoin is now on its way to the other wallet.